You're watching Grits on Grits. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel today. I got another budget-friendly knife for you. This one's a little different. I really thought this was kind of neat, and I wanted to give it a review and see what you guys think about it. So this is a Antonini called Octagonal knife. It's made in Italy. It's, let's see, it's model number ANT91720. Let's check it out. Let's see what's in the box. Alright, pretty cool. Wood scales. This is, I think they call this Katibe wood. It's from Africa. Looks like you got brass bolster, silver steel pins. Fit and finish is not bad. Nice looking knife. Kind of reminds you a little bit of a Octagonal, just a little bit. You don't have that screw lock or spin lock like on the Octagonal, but pretty cool. Let's see. Let's open it up here. Strong spring. Pretty nice looking knife. Look at that. Nice looking knife. It's 420 blade steel. It has the hardness 54-56, so I thought that was kind of neat that a knife like this would have the hardness listed on it. Got a brass bolster. So like I said, you got the steel pins, the Katibe wood. Blade length is just under 3.5 inches, and overall length of this knife is just a little over 7 3/4 inches. Nice looking knife. Not too bad. Could use a little bit of sharpening right out of the box. Let's see. Let's check it out here. Man, it's tight. It's got a nice. There's no looseness in it at all. Let's see what it sounds like. Got a nice snap closing. All right, strong. Nice looking knife. Closed length is 4.5 inches. This thing weighs right around 3 ounces. Not bad. Nice weight for a pocket knife. That wood looks really nice too. You probably could buff that up a little bit and give it a nice little shine if you wanted to. So, nice looking knife. This thing is going to come in around $18-19 on Amazon. I was able to find it on Amazon. Couldn't find it on Smoky Mountain Knife Works. Smoky Mountain Knife Works does sell some Antonini knives, but they sell like the Old Bear line of knives. There was one or two few oddball places on Google that I could find that sells this knife, but so Amazon is going to be your best bet if you're interested in this one. This one's pretty cool. If you're into the Octagonal knives, you would probably be into this one. So like I said, it's got a nice feel to it. It feels like it's built well. Fit and finish is decent. And again, for under $20, nice budget-friendly knife to add to your collection. So there you go. You can check this one out in our Amazon store, or if you like vintage stuff, you can always check out the links in our description and go to one of our Etsy shops. Check out some of the vintage stuff we have there. Please subscribe to the channel. We got more knife videos coming, and this summer when the weather gets a little better, we're going to have some tool reviews, and we got a couple other things coming along the line. So stay tuned, hit that like button, and we'll see you on the next video. Thanks.